Hey everyone, we're going to talk about a simple image analysis failure. So this is something that we see a lot in Anchor on the support side of things, where we cannot analyze an image because the registry, we can't find the image in the registry. So therefore we can't fetch it from the registry to do our analysis. So what this will look like, the way you know this is going on is, you have this notification here. So buried in the event log at the top, we'll see something like this. So it says could not get manifest for the image. It lists the image, and it said invalid status code 403. So simply because this image or this registry does not exist. So if you go to the registry credentials for your account in this top right hand corner, you'll be able to look at that, right? So you can see that that GitLab registry is not listed. So you won't be able to pull from that registry and pull in those images from that registry for analysis until you've authenticated that, right? So you want to be able to go and do that. So another way you could kind of validate this if you want to take a deeper dive into things is you could pull the log. And the way I did that is I pulled it off the catalog service, and that set it the event log will tell you that, right? So it says, it's on the catalog pod. So you just pull the logs, and then I just search for that registry kind of keyword using grep, and it will return those logs, right? So you can see the 403s being generated there. Same level of verbosity there, but that's another way you could tell this is an error. So to resolve this, what you could do is just re-add this image or re-add the registry, excuse me, using this, and then you would just type in your credentials here and make sure you hit this validate on add toggle. And that will make sure that your credentials pass, and that way it will resolve the error. So I'm going to pause while I do that, and we'll see what that resolution looks like. All right, so I'm actually going to do that right now. So I'm going to go ahead and add that registry. So do this, and again, make sure that validate on add is selected. So now we've added that registry. So now what I'm going to do is refresh these events to make sure this is working as intended. You can see here, this is just because I have a selector on that's trying to pull the image automatically. But to make sure we can pull this image, what I'm going to do is then reanalyze this tag. I'm going to select force reanalysis just to show you guys that it is working as intended. And now it successfully pulled that image for analysis. And there's another image that shows, or another video that shows what a successful image analysis looks like. But we could come in here again, looking at the events and notifications, and the successful image analysis will populate here. So you can see image analysis as being listed here under, image has entered the analyzing state, right? So that means that it's been picked up for by an analyzer for its full analysis of SBOM vulnerabilities, policy compliance, and things like that.